Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a sliding knot bracelet with beads. First, gather your essential materials: a durable cord, your chosen beads, and a pair of sharp scissors. You'll want a cord that is about 1 millimeter thick, like waxed cotton or nylon, to ensure it holds up well. Make sure your beads have holes large enough for the cord to pass through smoothly, which is crucial for easy stringing and knotting. Now, let's get started with stringing your beads. Begin by cutting 2 pieces of cord, one main piece about 24 inches long and a shorter piece around 10 inches. Take your longer cord and carefully string all your chosen beads onto it, arranging them as you like. Once your beads are in place, tie a simple overhand knot at each end of the beaded section. This will keep your beautiful beads securely centered and prevent them from sliding off. Next, we'll create the adjustable sliding knots. Take one end of your main, beaded cord and form a loop, overlapping it with the other end. Now, use your shorter 10-inch cord to tie a series of square knots around both strands of the main cord within that loop. Aim for about 3 to 5 square knots. This number provides a strong, yet easily adjustable, closure. This knotting technique allows the bracelet to expand and contract for a perfect fit. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your beautiful bracelet. Once you've completed your square knots, carefully trim any excess cord, leaving very small tails of about 1/8 of an inch. Repeat the entire sliding knot process on the opposite side of the bracelet, creating a second adjustable closure. Gently pull on both sliding knots to ensure they move smoothly and allow for easy adjustment. Now you have a custom-fit, stylish sliding knot bracelet with beads.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.